guess you're coming with me this time. Just the two of us. Me and baby tiger. It's time for the next adventure. Pack your cyber bags and let's go. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel, food, and fun. I'm Melanie. My lifestyle has been travel for the last few years and I've just adopted a cat. So this is going to be a big change for me and I'm going to take you along on the journey. Sitting here and I'm noticing that he's getting these beautiful stripes on his arms and legs and tail. So I realize, you know, now that he's getting older, it's time to give him a middle name. And I've decided, since his name is Baby, but he's got these new stripes, I'm gonna call him Baby Tiger. Meet Baby Tiger, everyone. Rawr, rawr. I was wanted a baby tiger. Now I got one. Let's check out the cat hotel to see if it's suitable for my little orange peanut. Check out the cat hotel because the girl's got to travel still a little bit. I need somebody to watch baby. It's a new area. I see the signs, World of Cats here, but I don't know where it is exactly. Huh. It's a little confusing, it's a bit hidden, and I only know one word, kuching. I'm like, kuching, kuching, I'm pointing at the sign, so it's just over here, so let's check it out. World of Cats. Cute. Cheese. Hi. Hi. Here at the World of Cats, they have an area where you can come play with all the kitties, and then upstairs they actually have a cat hotel, which is the reason that I'm here today. You can leave your kitty for short or long stays, and there's a couple different options for room sizes. I just wanted to check it out myself in person before I decided to leave baby here just in case. Oh, hi cats. There's lots of cats here. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi. Up here? Yes. Okay. Hello. He's charging admission. He's the bouncer. And there's designated feeding times, rest times, and then there's also some play time with the other kitties who are staying at the hotel. Oh, there's cats everywhere. Is this the hotel or is this keep going, going. Which baby is, from what I know, quite a social kitty, so he may even enjoy it. I'm hoping. You can either bring your own food or get them to purchase what your cat likes to eat. Oh. Stays range from approximately 100 to 130K or approximately $6 or just under $8 USD. And then there's discounts for longer stays. This one is quite cute. I've visited some other ones that were a little bit depressing, so I do like the vibe here, so I think it might work. I wonder if he can bring his iPad. Just kidding. I'm raising an iPad kid. Plot twist. Okay, so we've been staying in this tiny little room. But it wasn't planned out, so I don't have the best setup, so I need to get like a mat for him and a taller litter box because he's a bit of a wild boy and he loves to dig. It's going literally everywhere, so before they clean, I will ask them from the broom and sweep it because I feel so bad. Yeah, anyways, so I've been looking for new places. I had a place lined up and then I realized that I absolutely did not like it. It was pretty nasty. So we're looking for a new place last minute. But yeah, making progress. So keep you posted. We are getting ready because we're going to go look at some places. I have one spot lined up that is okay with a cat, but I just want to check it out and see before I commit to like a month, because I was only going to go for one day because it was just me, and it just so happened that when I found out baby was disappeared again, that I asked them if they would be able to take a cat, and they said yes. So it was just by fluke. So I wasn't looking for like a cat friendly place. But anyways, now that I know I need a place for him, I need to commit to like a longer time. I can't just go for one day and then not know where I'm going. So I'm gonna go look at it just to make sure, because sometimes, you know, the pictures don't really match. I don't want to be house fished, catfished. So let's go look at those places, and then I also have some other ones lined up, so we'll go look at those as well. Let's go. Wish me luck. So now it's a bit tricky because I have to make sure the place allows and is safe for a cat. It has to be nice so that I enjoy it. And also, we've just had a lot of flooding in Bali, so I have to make sure that it's not in a flooding area. The first location, I felt like it was a little bit of a catfish, but here it is. Beat up. This is cute. It's on the other side. Pretty beat up. So cool, just walking, and then there's jackfruit on the tree. Hi. Good. So apparently this got a little bit hit by the flood. Everything's dry now though.
I'm sorry, you ignored.
Cleaning?
Clean.
Oh, okay. Okay, very nice. Cute. Very cute. Oh, it's me. It's so funny. It's very cute. Little tiny house. Looks bigger in the photos. Okay. So this is post-flood in the Denpasar area. I was just on Maribyrnong and they got hit. It's dried up now, but yeah, you can kind of feel the stress of the disaster in the air, like in the energy a little bit. Like, get in there. Can I look at the other room again as well? Oh yeah, all the hornets. Oh!
Yeah.
Where are they coming from?
Yeah, because here we have a lot of plants. It's always happen in the occupied.
Oh, there's, the other room looks different. And I mean, if...
Because tomorrow...
Okay, so this. It's very beautiful. I feel like. This is 10 million. And you would just move a oven in here. And then, let's see. 15?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
We have the refrigerator upstairs, smart TV,
Yeah.
the private kitchen.
Oh, it comes with a TV?
Yeah, for the smart TV. Yeah.
You know, I actually don't watch TV.
Sorry?
I don't watch TV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so unless maybe I would watch something for my cat. I like that this is small, so he can't go it through.
Oh,
I was worried.
maybe you wanna
Just taking a video. So I remember. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
And it has like, oops, all the, does it have dishes? Oh, sorry. Everything. Wait, does it have, oh, it has everything, sweet, nice. The fridge. Yeah, so this is cute. Huh. Okay. Cool. Bathroom. Okay. The idea of this place was super gorgeous and luxurious, but it actually did get quite hit by the flood out front. They said the whole area was completely flooded pretty high. I feel like Goldilocks. A lot of the rooms were great. I'm sure other people would love them, but for me, there was just something that wasn't quite sitting right. Maybe I didn't think that they were clean enough, or the energy felt off, or there was something about it that didn't feel safe for my little kitty cat, my little orange peanut. You know, one of the places was gorgeous, but it had a really scary dog out front and open windows, so that was a no-go. But through process of elimination, I did decide on a place. Day, so we're all packed up. This time is a bit different because I've been moving all the time for the last few years. Well, really my whole life, to be honest, but nomadically the last few years. And I usually have a lot just with my own stuff because it's my whole life in my luggage. But now I've also got this little peanut stuff, my orange little peanut. So anyways, the adventures of the traveling cat. Let's go. So it should be interesting. I have a little bag to put him in, luckily. We're just gonna take a car over and settle into our new place. This little munchkin. Funny how life can just change like that. Freaking out a little bit because I packed up his litter box and everything. I don't know if he's like, don't leave me, or if he's like, what's happening? We're going to our new home, my love. Yeah, baby tiger. Pack her up. It's time to party. Yeah. You're coming with me this time. Just the two of us. Me and baby Tiger. Tiger's here. Look at these markings. So cute. They're new. I love it. I love it. We're just waiting for our ride over to our new place. Right, travel buddy? He's not a fan of his bag. Okay, here we are. We've arrived. And he's just a little bit scared. He's looking for a secret hiding spot. I hope that there isn't one there because that looks... I'm actually gonna order him a little hiding spot. I ordered it already. It should be here soon. My little investigator here. New home. I'm so scattered. I literally forgot that my driver was there. So I'm just gonna, as usual, check the bed. Oh, I should check and make sure this is closed. There's a little balcony here, but I don't really want baby to go out there. So I'm just gonna check the bed as per usual. Doesn't matter how clean or how new. This mattress is a little dirty. I don't know, it's not the cleanest mattress, but I think it's safe in terms of bed bugs. I am moving in 1 month to a different room, so I think I might actually get the other mattress cleaned before I go in, potentially. And I'm hoping this one's okay. I thought I was an investigator, but this little guy needs to know everything. He knows where every nook and cranny in this apartment is, and anytime I have food or anything, he is the first to pop out. What you got going on there, miss? Thanks for watching till the end, and I'm excited about Baby and I's next adventures, and you can catch us again, meet us in the next video here. See ya!